How to buy Uber Eats gift card. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser or search engine on your phone or desktop. Now search for Amazon.com here. Now tap on the first link on top. Okay, so this is the official website of Amazon. Now go to the search bar and search for Uber Eats gift card. Okay, now over here you can see various options like Uber gift card, Uber Eats gift card, and just Uber gift card. So for now, I'm going to go for Uber Eats gift card right here. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see the amount that cost for this gift card. Now, if you scroll down a bit below, you can also choose the quantity for the gift card that you want to purchase. Now scroll a little bit down and you can see the option of send as a gift, include custom message. So if you select this option, you can also customize a message for the person you are going to send this gift card to. Now after doing all these steps, you can just tap on buy now and make a payment for your gift card. Now by following all these steps, you can successfully purchase Uber Eats gift card. And that was it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.